In the case of a house built on Hawaii Island, a judge is asking both sides to consider settling. Multiple parties are being sued by an Oahu developer who expected the house to go up on his property and not the property next door. Big Island Bureau Chief Jeremy Lee has more from Kailua-Kona.
In the case of a house built on the wrong property lot, after weeks of appearing in court here in Kailua-Kona, a judge has ordered both sides to meet in a closed session to try to come up with an agreement. The hope is by the end of Wednesday, an agreement can be reached, with both sides having made proposals on Monday. However, productive negotiations have not been the strength between the two parties. We don't think they intend to settle, the attorney for property owner Ann Reynolds told Island News. Settlement demands have exceeded $500,000, according to multiple sources. The attorney for Reynolds points out that trees on the land were raised and invasive albizia trees now are growing instead. Testimony from Reynolds also maintains that the lot had specific spiritual value to Reynolds. And Reynolds sought a court injunction that would compel the contractor to tear down the $300,000 house mistakenly built on her lot, which she characterized in court as a monstrosity. The California woman acquired the lot in Hawaiian Paradise Park for $22,000 years ago in a tax auction. Island News has learned that the highest offer by the developers for compensation was $160,000. A real estate agent familiar with the case from the developer's side testified that 1-acre HPP lots are laid out on a grid with hundreds of lots that are virtually identical. Dozens are currently on the market. But to complicate matters, Reynolds' lot does not have a clear title, as it was purchased at a tax auction. That means the estate of the former owner could technically lay claim to the lot, so a mortgage is an impossibility when it comes to trying to sell off the lot and house together. Both sides hope for some clarity from the judge after Wednesday. No other court dates are scheduled at this time. Reporting from Kailua-Kona, Jeremy Lee, Island News.